instead of her body. If I be there, I ain't wearing no Johnny on. Hey y'all, so welcome back to my channel. I hate when I say that. Like I be doing my videos so spaced out, but I was doing stuff. Thanks, and don't say nothing about my lashes because they're literally on their last legs. But y'all, I'm doing my hair and I already parted some, and I'm not really good at parting. That hurt. These ribbons are so freaking tight. So here's the back. You probably can't see, but and I just know I did terrible in the back. I still got this piece right here. Yeah, it's raining. It's raining outside, but I'm gonna show y'all the stuff I'm using. I'm using Shine Jam. This is not even Shine Jam. This is Lit Jam. In my opinion, Lit Jam is better than the Shine Jam when you're braiding. I feel like the Shine Jam just gets like watery quick or whatever. And the Merz Edge Wax, I just mix these two together. That's why it's like white in here, because I mix it so it can be better. Like, it's better when it's mixed. Got these two. I got one pack of this 20-inch. I'm doing short. Everybody like, why would you get black? Because I couldn't find no hair in my color. I got this root touch up, so it could just, you know, touch up. This is more than roots, but because at the end of the day, these scissors really suck. Like, bro, they're not cutting nothing. I'm gonna show y'all my setup. So obviously it's a mirror right here, and I got a mirror right here, so I can see the back of my head. Basically, that's what's going on right here. Period. It low-key is taking me forever in a day, but this is a finished product. Like, I didn't spray. Where's the spray? Where's the spray? I didn't spray this on it because, like, honestly, I don't feel like it. I don't feel like it. And y'all, this jam and Murray's mixture Girl, look at my edges. Slaying the leg to the gods. I mean, I don't know how it's gonna react if I sweat, because those two edge control, if you sweat, I mean, they're not even edge control, but you know what I'm saying. But yes, and thank you for watching this video. Hope you enjoyed.